What is SEO really? Search engine optimization is actually just focused content marketing, text, images, and videos on website pages that are crawled by the search algorithms. Most importantly, Google. 8.5 billion searches are processed by Google every day. That's nearly 99,000 searches every second. Quality SEO ensures that your business can be found by the people actively searching for it. Things like having individual service pages for each aspect of what you do and posting blogs or articles that establish you as an expert in your field are the most straightforward ways that you can improve your search rankings. The key to quality search results for your website is establishing your expertise in your voice, directly serving your customers with valuable information. That's SEO.